We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words and acronyms in English, so make sure to stay tuned for this. As a word, it can be said as om. Pretty straightforward, right? Om, although it sounds a little strange and it's not easy to say. As an acronym, it can stand for quite a few different things, as in an Arctic Warfare Magnum, or Advanced Wave Memory, Animation Works Movie, African World Music, Arab World Ministries, Angry White Male, Animal Waste Management. Always wanting more, quite a few different things. But now you know AWM as an acronym. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names here. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.